Let us start with next one. That is question number 26. An organic compound A burns with sooty flame. So it has been given that it burns with sooty flame. You have to remember one thing. If it burns with sooty flame means there should be a presence of unsaturation. So when I tell that there should be a presence of unsaturation means it should contain a double bond. It is negative towards tolerance reagent. What they are giving? Negative towards tolerance reagent. So if it is negative towards tolerance reagent means which group is absent? Aldehyde group should be absent. This is the second hint. Third hint what they have given, and it test positive for Borch reagent. BORSCHES. Borch reagent. For Borch reagent it is showing a positive test. So here you should know what is Borch reagent. Borch reagent is nothing but it is 2,4 DNP. 2,4 DNP is nothing but what? 2,4 dinitrophenylhydrazine is nothing but Borch reagent, where this Borch reagent will give red orange solid. So when you go through with the formula of 2,4 DNP, it is written as C6H3NO2 twice NH2. This is the formula for 2,4 DNP. So when we go through with all these given question along with the explanations, so the first one is what? Benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde is given by what? C6H5CHO. Next one is acetophenone, that is C6H5C double bond OCH3. Second one is acetone, that is CH3C double bond OCH3. And the fourth one is salicylic acid, that is with OH and COOH. So here aldehyde group is absent, we concluded, hence this cannot be the answer. This is an carboxylic acid, so hence this is not present. These two should be the answer. So when we go through with acetone, here acetone contains Borch reagent is showing a positive test means the positive test for Borch reagent is only with reference to what? It should be with reference to ketones. Either it should be acetophenone or it should be acetone. Acetone cannot be the answer because in acetone there is no unsaturation between carbon. Hence the correct answer is what? Acetophenone, which is given by the option B. Next one, question number 27. Aldehyde was treated with a reagent X. The product formed upon hydrolysis in the presence of an acid gave ethyl alcohol. The reagent X is. So here we have to write that here the product should be what? Alcohol. The product can be alcohol when the given aldehyde, that is HCHO, is made to react with Grignard reagent, and the given Grignard reagent is what? Methyl magnesium iodide. Here the reaction takes place in the presence of ether. This ionizes as CH3 minus and MgI plus, where migration of electron takes place on oxygen. Here I can write it as HCCH3, single bond O will get a negative sign will capture MgI. I can write it as OMgI, single bond H. So when this one is subjected to acid hydrolysis, breakage of bond takes place between O and MgI. Here H plus and here OH minus will bind, so that I can write it as CH3CH2OH plus of magnesium hydroxy iodide. Hence we got the answer as what? Ethyl alcohol. Hence the correct option is methyl magnesium iodide, which is given by the option D. Next one, question number 28. The relative acidic strengths of benzoic acid. So benzoic acid formula, let us write C6H5COOH. Benzoic acid, orthotolic acid. So here it has been given as orthotolic acid. Orthotolic acid is nothing but it is benzoic acid. For this benzoic acid at ortho position there will be a methyl group. This is known as orthotolic acid. Next one is what? Paratolic acid. So COOH group, at para position there is CH3. This is known as paratolic acid. What they are asking? identify the acidic strength of benzoic acid, orthotolic acid, and paratolic acid in the form of its decreasing order. So when it comes to orthotolic acid and paratolic acid, here there is a methyl group where the methyl group is electron donating in its nature. In this case, ortho substituted. So ortho substituted means what? At ortho position there is a methyl group. Ortho substituted benzoic acid are stronger acids. Ortho substituted benzoic acids are stronger acids, and hence the electron density or electron density because of which group? Methyl group. It decreases the acidity of paratolic acid. So ortho substituted benzoic acid are stronger acids due to which effect? It is due to ortho effect. Hence more acidic is what? Orthotolic acid is more acidic as compared to benzoic acid, and benzoic acid is more acidic as compared to paratolic acid. Hence the correct option for this question is option D. Next one, question number 29. When formic acid is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, let us write the reaction. Formic acid is nothing but HCOOH. When it is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid, we know that concentrated sulfuric acid is a dehydrating agent which removes water. When H2O is eliminated, what is left out? Carbon monoxide is left out. Hence the correct option is what? B, which is carbon monoxide. Next one, let us go through with question number 30. When it comes to question number 30, the reagent used to distinguish between acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde is. So here they are asking us to give the differentiating test for acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde. So one should know that benzaldehyde does not respond to Fehling solution. It will respond to Tollens reagent. It will respond to 2,4 DNP, so that it can form carbazide also, but benzaldehyde does not respond to Fehling solution due to alkaline nature of the reagent. Hence the correct distinguishing reagent is option B, which is nothing but Fehling solution. But if I consider an acetaldehyde, so acetaldehyde is CH3CHO. This acetaldehyde can react with what? Fehling's solution. So this is the combination of alkaline copper sulfate solution. This is nothing but the Fehling solution. So when acetaldehyde reacts with Fehling solution, it can form CH3COO-, which is nothing but an acetate ion, along with the formation of cuprous oxide, which is nothing but a red precipitate along with the water molecule. But benzaldehyde does not give the reaction with Fehling solution. Hence the correct option for the question is option B, that is Fehling's solution.